Welcome. This is Rhonda Schaefer from Fairport, New York. Today, I am going to talk about a life in progress. Know that it may be yours, theirs, or mine. Was written by Krista O'Reilly Davi-Digui, known for her poems about life struggles. This could be your life, it could be my life, it could be their life. If you have not been here before, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you're notified when I post content for you. Fear is loud and bossy. She can be vicious at times, and the worst of it is that she often mingles truth with fiction. But you must learn to challenge the stories she feeds you. You get to be the boss of your own thoughts. You can learn to question whether or not everything she tells you is truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Since you have done the work to deepen your self-awareness and your self-compassion, when she throws all your past failings in your face, you won't crumble because you already know you are imperfect. And you're beautiful and resilient and worthy of building a thoughtfully crafted life. Thank you to Krista for a life in progress. This is Rhonda Schaefer, and I want to thank you for stopping by to hear about a life in progress. Just know that it may be yours, theirs, or mine. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you've not done so already. Good day.